Introduction to Copywriting. What is copywriting? Copywriting is the art and science of crafting written messages that persuade, inform, or motivate people to take a specific action, such as purchasing a product, joining a program, or believing an idea. Definition: copywriting is the practice of writing text copy for the purpose of advertising or other forms of marketing communication. Adapted from The Copywriter's Handbook, Bly, 2020. The copy refers to any written material designed to influence behavior, such as advertisements, website content, slogans, posters, promotional emails, or educational campaign materials. The purpose of copywriting. Good copy aims to grab attention, engage the reader immediately, build interest, highlight relevance or benefits, create desire, make readers want the offer or idea, encourage action, lead to sign-up, purchase, or participation. This process is often summarized by the AIDA model. Stage: A. Attention. Description: capture the reader's interest. Example: stop scrolling. Your next great read is here. Stage 1. Interest. Description: explain what makes it relevant or valuable. Example: discover how to write persuasive texts like a pro. Stage D. Desire. Description: appeal to emotion or benefit. Example: imagine getting paid for your writing. Stage A. Action. Description: tell the reader what to do next. Example: join our copywriting class today. Brief history of copywriting. Copywriting emerged alongside the growth of advertising in the 19th century. Early examples appeared in newspapers, product labels, and posters. Notable milestones: 1900s, rise of print advertising and brand competition. 1950s, golden age of advertising, e.g., David Ogilvy, Leo Burnett. 1990s to 2000s, expansion to digital and online marketing. Today, integration with AI tools, content marketing, and social media. Types of copywriting. Type: commercial copywriting. Purpose: promote products/services. Example output: ads, sales emails, landing pages. Type: academic copywriting. Purpose: promote educational or scholarly ideas. Example output: university brochures, research promotion, e-learning campaigns. Type: digital copywriting. Purpose: online engagement. Example output: social media posts, SEO blogs. Type: technical copywriting. Purpose: explain complex info clearly. Example output: instructional or tech manuals. Type: creative copywriting. Purpose: build emotional impact. Example output: campaign slogans, storytelling ads. Academic versus commercial copywriting feature. Purpose, tone, audience, examples. Purpose: academic copywriting, to inform, educate, or inspire learners. Commercial copywriting, to sell, promote, or persuade consumers. Tone: academic copywriting, formal, factual, informative. Commercial copywriting, engaging, emotional, persuasive. Audience: academic copywriting, students, educators, researchers. Commercial copywriting, customers, clients, general public. Examples: academic copywriting, educational posters, course brochures, research outreach. Commercial copywriting, brand slogans, online ads, product descriptions. The role of language in copywriting. Copywriting is not only about creativity, it is strategic communication. Effective copy uses clarity, simple, understandable words; brevity, short and focused sentences; emotion, connect with readers' feelings; action, encourage movement or decision. Example comparison. Weak copy. Our course helps students understand copywriting. Improved copy. Master the secrets of copywriting. Write words that move people to action. Case study and analysis. Example 1. Educational copy. Unlock your teaching potential with our new English for Education program. Learn from experienced educators and become a certified English teacher in just 1 year. Type: academic copy. Purpose: to attract prospective students. Features: clear benefit, emotional appeal, action-driven phrase. Unlock: become certified. Example 2. Commercial copy. Say it beautifully. Write it powerfully. Discover the pen that inspires creativity. Type: commercial copy. Purpose: to sell a writing product. Techniques: repetition, emotional tone, rhythm, imperative structure. Summary: copywriting is persuasive writing aimed at inspiring action. It serves various purposes: selling, informing, promoting, inspiring. Both academic and commercial copywriting rely on strategy, clarity, and creativity. Effective copy follows the AIDA model and connects to both logic and emotion.